Hey everyone! In this video, I'm reviewing the Cake Wallet DeFi wallet. Find the download link below. This wallet's perfect for anyone wanting seamless access to DeFi while keeping their crypto safe and easy to manage. It supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other major DeFi chains, making exploring the DeFi ecosystem simple. One standout feature is its direct integration with DeFi platforms. Stake, yield farm, and access decentralized exchanges, all within the wallet. No more juggling separate apps. Everything's consolidated in one easy-to-use interface, perfect for both beginners and DeFi veterans. Cake Wallet takes security seriously. This non-custodial wallet gives you full control of your private keys. Your assets are never stored on a third-party server. Encrypted backups, multi-signature support, and hardware wallet integration ensure your funds are protected. For privacy-conscious users, there's coin mixing and Tor integration for anonymous transactions. The Cake Wallet DeFi wallet is your all-in-one solution for managing crypto and engaging with DeFi. Stake, swap, or securely store your crypto, this wallet has it all. If you're serious about DeFi, the Cake Wallet DeFi wallet offers the functionality and security you need. Check the description for more details.